Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Thank you for joining. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my supporters. Support me on Patreon. If you're in the market to buy a Tesla car, please use my referral code. And like always, my videos are sponsored by EVBase. With me is my wife. She's busy doing her puzzle, so don't let me disturb you. We are in somewhere in Florida. Where are we, Beth? We are in Melbourne, Florida. We are on our way back from South Florida to northern New Jersey. We drove about 10 days ago from New Jersey to South Florida, about 1,250 miles or so. And we are on our way back. And I want to do this video for you. I'll give you suggestions for this mega trip. This is like a 12-hour trip. This is what we do. We go from 8 a.m. to about 8 p.m. or 9 to 9, whatever, 12 hours. And then we, later on, we stay overnight somewhere in North Carolina or so. And then we back to Jersey again, 12 hours. That's the way we like it. 2 or 3 stops in each day. Supercharge, so we just supercharged it, the whole thing, and that's what we do. So I want to give you suggestions for this kind of trip. Not like for you go to visit grandma or whatever, and it's like 200-300 miles, like one shot and you're there. You know, you can take this advice and do it. But when you go for long trips like this, I'll give you advice. And this is true for all Tesla cars. But specifically, we are driving the new Tesla Model Y, which is an amazing car, very efficient. So a suggestion number one, we'll start from the frunk. We got this refrigerator. It's a box. It fits perfectly in the frunk. We got it. You can get it from EVBase. You can get it from Amazon, from Tesla. You know, EVBase they have great products. You can buy it. It fits perfectly. Now, it's not electrical, meaning you don't plug it anywhere. It's just basically a box, and it's very tight. It like really seals, vacuumed, really. No air can go in. And basically, you put your ice, whether it's packed or regular ice or whatever, and you put your food on top of it. So we load up with food because, to be perfectly honest with you, the food in rest areas, superchargers, it's really junk. Okay, it's really junk. So we make our nice sandwiches that we like, fruit, water, cold water. We get all the good food that we like, and it's healthy, it's better, and it's first of all cheaper because you use your own food. So that's number one. So start with the frunk, get your food. It's cold. You stop in a hotel overnight. You take your ice packs. You put them in the refrigerator, in the freezer in your hotel. Most hotels have it. It's great. It's really, I'm telling you, we used to like stop in Wendy's and all that crap. Don't. It's expensive and it's disgusting. So that's number one. The only thing I use them is for the bathrooms. So that's number one. In the car. Now, we bought the launch model of the Model Y, so it does have FSD. But we do have another Tesla, another Model Y 2021 that doesn't have, we didn't get the FSD with that. But what I suggest to you, if you have FSD purchased, great. If you don't, I highly, especially if you have a 2024 and up, like hardware 4 and up, I highly recommend that you rent the FSD for like a month. Time it before. We went for 10 days, so we just got it. We can get it the day before. We used to do it in all our trips with our old Model Y. You get the FSD, and it is so incredibly relaxing. Now the hardware 4, even the hardware 3, we have the hardware 3 on the 2021. Even the hardware 3 and the highway is fantastic. Inside town, it's okay. You know, you have to really supervise it. This, the hardware 4, you do have to supervise because otherwise it will annoy you, but it is so freaking fantastic. It is so relaxing. You're not tense. You're not so focused. I mean, I'm looking around. My wife and I, you know, we talk. We just listen to a book on tape, music. okay, she can fall asleep, whatever. So it's like when, let's say when she drives, we exchange. When she drives, when we were driving without the FSD, I'm like I'm the worst passenger, the worst. You don't want to drive with me and I'm the passenger. But we use the FSD, so we all relaxed. She's relaxed, we're relaxed. We do, you can't fall asleep as a driver yet, but I highly recommend it. It's $100. Get it for a long trip, not a long trip, like a trip you go on vacation and you go hiking, biking, whatever it is. Get it. It's so worth it. Can I scare you? It saves life. I am telling you, it saves life. It's great. So that, agree, honey?
Yeah.
She agrees. Okay, so that's inside. Stay inside. When you get to a long trip like this, I mean, we are early morning. Sometimes we leave at 7, 8, whatever. If it was up to me, we'd leave at 4 a.m. But, early morning, charge your car to 100% one time. Charge your car because you are fresh. It's morning time, you are fresh. You get a good night's sleep. And drive, 3 hours, let's say. You can easily, the Model Y, the Model 3, all the Teslas will give you 300 miles. I'm sorry, a 3-hour drive. If you like to drive more, whatever it is, you can drive 250, 280, even 300 miles. Easy peasy. So charge it to 100%. Give it a shot the first time, and then I reduce it to 80%, and then we go about 2.5 to 245. I count our legs, our stops by hours, not necessarily by miles or kilometers. It's by hours. So we know in the morning we can really go 3 hours or so, and then you get tired. It's now like 11, almost lunchtime. We have another 2.5 hours to our next destination. We'll have a late lunch, and we eat snacks and fruits and whatever. So we good. So I suggest you do that. Once you alert and you in good speed, in good shape, give it the longest, and then you can go 80%, and it's good for the car, as you know, and all that. We supercharge by the time we finish lunch or go to the bathroom or have coffee or whatever. The car is always waiting for us. So that's that. Then in here, this is I recommend highly. In this trip it's my wife and I, but when we have 2 sons, when they were little, we used to sit in the back, obviously. We always insisted, and we do it now, I take a spare tire. I bought, an 18-inch tire, and sorry, a 19-inch tire. Our Model 3, we always take a full-size spare tire. Unfortunately, most electric cars, if not all of them, do not come with a spare tire, with that donut. They do not. Or jack or a wrench, nothing. So we take a full-size spare tire with a wrench, with the jack, with the tire, whatever it is. Because if God forbid something happened now, I can call our insurance company or Tesla roadside assistant. They'll come and do it. But there are some areas that we drive, especially in South Carolina, that there not only there's no cell reception, nobody lives around. You're on your own. Now I'm very handy, and I've changed my share of tires over the years. So God forbid, take all that you need for tire kit and a spare tire, put it facing down so there's a hole in it. You put the jack, whatever it is. The car is, especially if it's 2 of you, the car is so big. Even when we had the kids with us, we used to take a spare tire, put a lot of luggage under compartment. My wife always, she's the best packer. She takes like soft bags, and was that a look, honey? She gave me a good look. I love you. So I love you. So you take the soft bags and you can smush them around. I call it things that we don't need access to. They're going under, and things that we need, like a little carry-on for the hotel for the overnight, or if you go cross country, take your food, take your drink, sign up for FSD. Charge your car to 100% at the beginning every day. If you go multiple days, absolutely give it a shot at the beginning. Take a spare tire, take a tire kit, take everything with you. Okay, obviously your phones and chargers and everything that you need. And I am telling you, I found that we've been making this route, New Jersey to Florida, for 20 years. And I remember the gasoline cars, and you drive and your right foot is numb and you like almost falling asleep and all that. This FSD is freaking amazing. We are so lucky in North America that we can rent it for a month. It is so worthwhile, and make sure also that your premium connectivity is up to date so you can have the traffic and everything. And unfortunately, because Tesla does not have the Waze or whatever, so my wife and I, we use obviously the map, and we have Waze if we need. Now there's not too much traffic, so if there's any issues, we have the Waze, and sometimes she gives us better routes. Do this, you will thank me later. I am telling you, you will thank me later. It's so awesome. And if I have to choose, if I have to rank them in order, is the spare tire, full size, not a donut, full size, because you may have to drive 100 miles to the next exit to go to somebody who will fix your tire. Full size, no donuts, because they're just there for short distances. That's number one. Number two, the FSD. I don't know if FSD is even more important, but they are equally important. Food, phones, obviously, and all that stuff that you need. So important, and you will love it. You will thank me. This is the best way to travel. We are professional travelers. Okay, we drive to Canada, Quebec City. We were in Vancouver. We were in. We drove once from LA from San Francisco to Vancouver with a gasoline car. It was the worst experience ever. Still remember, honey? It was what a piece of shit car. Toyota shit, that's the model. It was crap. Anyway, do this. I'm telling you, you will thank me later. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your travel. Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here. And I got an awesome set from EV Base, right in this big box for my Tesla Model 3 2018 wheel covers. Okay, let me just show you. They come 4 sets in this nice cover. This bubble wrap right here. 4 of them come. Now it does come with this foam. Okay, it does come with this foam. I'm going to show you. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it, but I'm going to show you how. And these covers for the circle in the middle. Now I do have another set that I use, and it does have the Tesla cover. So you can order this in like I think 3 or 4 colors, or you can just use the black one. For this case, I'm just going to use the black ones that they have. There is a little adhesive here. You peel it, and you are going to do that. So now, this is, like I said, for the 18-inch wheel. So it comes with this foam in the back. You take it out. It's very simple to install. Now, this foam covers just like that. And it's easier to do it with 2 people, but I'm going to show you how to do it with one person. You basically start somewhere, and then you slowly put it in. Slowly you put it in. And you have to go slow. You really have to go slow to put it around. Do you have to do it? I don't know. If you want, you don't have to. I'm doing it because I want to show it to you. So it takes, I don't know, a few minutes for each one. And you put it around. Let me show you. See, you put it around, and it's going to cover it. So let me finish it, and then I'll show you how it looks like, okay? Okay, so here it is. I finished. It literally took me 1 minute. Okay, now you don't have to do it. It's a nice thing to just seal it around. And the covers in the middle, okay, you can put it like this. You don't have to do anything, but it comes with this nice black cap. So you have this red adhesive here, cover, you take it out. Now, you can do it before you install it, or you can do it after, when it's actually on the wheel. Either way, it doesn't matter. And you put it like so in the middle, a little push, and it's done. And it's covered, and it's this. Just like I showed you, I have the one with the Tesla logo, whichever you like, okay? Whichever you like. Now, let me show you how to remove the old one. And then this one is very easy to put in, and it's very aerodynamic. I'm going to make some tests of these, range tests on a long drive. I'm going to go down to Florida in Christmas time, I'm going to drive with them one way and drive without them another way, and we will look if we are saving, gaining any miles. So let's go to the car. Okay, so here's the old one. Here's, if you have a Tesla, you all have this. And we hate these curb rashes because the old one just covers up to here. Okay, so basically to take it out is you just, it's good to do with two hands, but I'm gonna show you can do it also with one hand. You just pull, you pull, you pull, and it's out. Okay, you see it's out. So you see the curb brush? Now here's the new one. Here's the new one, completely covering the wheel. So let me show you how I installed the new one. All right? Okay, so it's very important. You see here this little hole. This is where the where you pump the tire. Okay. All right, for the air. Okay, right here. So you align it against this, and if you push this in the middle, around. That's it, installed. It's all good. All right, now I'm going to show you. So this, the center circle here is already installed. I'm going to show you the other one that you can do it after it's installed. It's maybe it's easier or it's not. Okay, here we go. Okay, like I said before, you take the red adhesive, you put here in the circle. That's it, done. See, it's beautiful. I'm going to show you all wheels, and you see how it looks like. It really looks nice. Okay, so here they are, all four of them. You see how it covers the rim very nicely. Even if you had curb brush, you cannot see it anymore. I'll put you a link. You can use my code TEI, the Electric Israeli, and you get, I think, 23% for Black Friday. And just use my link. They have thousands of EV accessories for Teslas and other electric cars. It's really, really beautiful. Thank you guys for watching.